Hello all. So let's continue the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you have seen over here, we have started with this modeling of this. So let's continue with the detail of this fingers over here. So we are not going with much details, but we need to give few of the details on the fingers over here. So we'll be just assigning few of the details. So just go on putting the loops over here. Save your file. So just go on putting the loops. Okay. So same here. So this part will come out a bit. So select the face over here, editable mesh, and let's just give extrude over here, R, and scale it. Again press G, extrude it, and let's just rotate it and push it inside. Select this, extrude it, press G, push it up, and just rotate it inside. Select this, press G, R, and extrude it. So extrude it up again, R, rotate it, and just push it inside. So same thing. So we need to adjust the fingers definitely. Extrude it, R, and scale a bit. Again extrude it up. E, and rotate it. That's it. So select this and W, and let's go into this, and you want to make it as a local. First let's check this, push this up, need to push this up. So we are not going with very high details. So just push this up. Just select this, push that up, push it up, select this, push it up, alright. So save your file. We need to scale this a bit over here, adjust this stuff. Go again into this faces for this part, for the nail region over here. we'll just select this front part over here, G, editable mesh, extrude it. So let's continue now. So just again scale this part over here, again extrude it a bit out, and let's rotate a bit in the right direction. That's it. So we need to adjust it properly, all this vertices in the right manner. So again go into this, insert edge loop. So let's put one edge loops over here also. You can just see this. So you can just go into this, select this, exclude this R and just scale it. So keep on scaling, just push this vertices over here towards the left a bit, and also for the fingers over here, let's go with this, make this selection over here R and scale this a bit and rotate a bit. That's alright. So select this, adjust it, push it inside. So we need to work with this fingers a bit over here. So let's put one loop over here. Make sure you're not going with very high poly. So you need to take care of this stuff over here. So I'm putting one loop over here. Alright. So again go over here. If you don't require this, save your file. Again put one loop over here. That's it. Mesh tools. Let's go into this. Add a multi-cut and just press enter. Press 3 over here. That's it. Alright. So this much details is okay for the hand for now. So we can just push the hand. We can work a bit over here. So let's go to the view over here. Alright. So let's add one more loop over here. One loop over here. Save your file. Press 3. That's it. So select this. Just push it a bit more inside. Push it up. Push this up. push this over here. Push this down. Push it up. Press 3. So we need to work a bit more on the thumb part. So it looks very, very thick over here. So we need to adjust the vertices accordingly. So you can just relax this. Reduce this. B is for brush tool. Just relax. Use a relax over here a bit. Use a bit of relax over here for the finger thumb part. So you can just relax this. So we don't need very high details. So just select this and just adjust it accordingly. So go on selecting this. Stuff over here and just push this up. Scale it and adjust it. So let's press 3. You can see the difference. Alright. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the next tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.